Hi, this is Gail May Ferguson here, and we're going to tap on fear today. And we're going to tap on fear about the coronavirus. So I know a lot of you are having some fear, some anxiety, and some even having panic about it. And so let's do some tapping and hope this can help you to calm down and feel more safe. Okay? So we're going to start here. Take a deep breath. And just one more deep breath. Good job. Even though I have this fear about the coronavirus, even though I have this panic about the coronavirus, even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself anyway. This fear about the coronavirus, this fear that I might catch it, this fear that I can't keep safe, this fear that I don't know who has it, this fear that I'll catch it, this fear that my loved ones will catch it, this fear about the virus, this fear about going outside, this fear about being in crowds, this fear about touching anything, this fear about being at home all alone, this fear about being isolated, this fear about my parents catching it, this fear about their immunity, this fear about my children catching it, this fear about myself catching it, this fear about crowds, this fear about going anywhere, this fear about shopping, this panic, this fear about watching the news, this fear about not watching the news, all this fear, all this fear, all this fear, and all this fear. Good job. Take a deep breath. And just check in on your fear. And we're going to do a little more tapping. Even though I may still have some fear, I wonder if it's possible that I could feel a little more safe. Even though I still may have some fear, I wonder if it's possible that I could know that I am safe. I wonder if it's possible if I could choose to feel more safe. Some things are out of my control, and this is one of those things. I can be careful, and I am careful, and do the best I can to wash my hands, to stay away from crowded areas, But there's just so much I have control over. I have control over what I do, but I don't have control about what others do. And it looks to me like many people are doing a good job. It looks to me like the government are doing all the right things. This remaining fear, this remaining fear. I wonder if it's possible that I can have more faith in a higher power, that the things that are beyond my control, I give up to this higher power. I wonder if that's possible, that I could trust more deeply and to know that I am safe. I wonder if it's possible if I could choose to feel more safe. This remaining fear, this remaining fear, this remaining fear. All right, good job. Take a deep breath. And exhale. You're awesome. So just keep taking deep breaths. And remember, when you take a deep breath, you're kicking in the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the vagus nerve, right? That starts here and goes down to your stomach. And if you take deep breaths, it's going to kick that calm, that more calming feel in your body. All right? So keep safe. I know you are. All will be well. This too shall pass. Bless you. Bye.